Curaçao has become our favorite Caribbean island. After a 5-hour tour, which included the best snorkeling of our life, definitely check out that video too, we still had 3 hours until back on board our cruise. So come join us for a walking tour of Willemstad. This rental car turned in and we still have 3 hours to explore.
Let's go.
That's a fun place to sit, look. So Willemstad was the port that I was most excited to walk around. We have 3 hours before our cruise leaves, so I'm super excited. Come and join us. Oh, already this looks amazing. This is awesome. Some large cannons right there. So see a historical walking tour. This is amazing. Oh, and that's the floating bridge. Oh, I'm so excited. That's awesome. Oh, it's a little city. I'm already loving this city.
Yeah, me too.
If this is open and you need to get across, they do offer a free ferry because they'll open this up when boats need to come through. It doesn't look like it's moving until you're on it. Right, it's like a Caribbean Dutch mix. You have the fun colors, which is very Caribbean, but like it's a Dutch style. It's a good blend. Oh, we should have come and locked our love here. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, every street is so adorable. Bobby's gonna like this. We love local food places. This is cool. I really don't feel that hungry, and I know we're gonna eat a big meal on the ship, but let's go and at least check it out. This is where locals will come to get the local cuisine, maybe even including iguana soup. There's many restaurants in here. It is warm in here. Oh, every place has a little menu you can look at. Oh, that looks good. Whole fish over there. About as fresh as you can get. There's out here. There's a machete lying around over there for them to cut the what are those, coconuts? So that's why I dropped the rental car off before you drive the big city. It seems like it's pretty organized, but it's slow moving, faster on foot. Ooh, pastries. Want to try a pastry? All right, you ready for my pastry? These look good. Oh my goodness.
One of those?
Oh, honey.
Yes. Maybe one of these?
Oh, Peter, one total. One total. Pick one total. I just said we're about to get on the ship. We don't need to eat anything. Gosh.
You're interested.
Okay, that looks good. Okay.
Try that and that. Some
all right.
Sweet, some sweet.
2 instead of just 1. It's cash only. The sticky bun over here. In dollars? $5 and I give it change. Okay. We'll get some coins for the kids.
There you go. Win some, you lose some. Gotta try it. Pretty good.
Win some, you lose some. Gotta try it. Pretty good. Which is it?
At least they're just saying, not good enough for $5. But that's different. It's a little drier than I thought it'd be. Not as sweet, but still good.
You're just so happy.
And I just want a snack. Pastry.
Yeah. Yep.
Pastry's good. Pastry should make me happy.
Yes, they do. Oh man, I love all the paintings. It's definitely a fun city to walk around. That was fun. You're just happy you're eating your pastries. It's time. We're heading back to the ship. Time.
Only 2:45.
2:40?
We gotta head back to the shipyard. There's still like an hour and a half until we need to get there. We did that so fast. Wow.
Ready for tomorrow. This was a training run.
Ready for tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we do not have nearly as much time in Bonaire. So we will have to see things a lot faster tomorrow. So definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not already. And then join us tomorrow in Bonaire. I might get to see what I wanted to see. I do get to see what I want to see. Okay, video is not done yet. All right, everyone hurry up, get across the bridge. This is the only other thing. I told Peter, he's like, what else do you want to do? I said, I want to see the bridge open, but I didn't know if we'd get to. Peter, we just made it. All these folks are stuck now because they just closed the gate. Okay, they're letting people out just to get out real fast. This is what I wanted to see. Oh, look at this. So fun. So people, they will move with the people on there still, but now these people are, yeah, I mean, because now they're just stuck. So they said that if it is open only for 10 minutes, there will be no ferry service. You don't want to cut your time in Punta too much, because if that bridge opens just at the right time, you might miss your cruise. So this is what I wanted to say.
There you go.
I'm so happy. I kind of wanted to be on it, but we are stuck right now. Oh, they did have a way to get off. Very nice. Once it was completely straight, then they have this other way to get off. So they're not stuck on here. Pretty cool. All right, I want to see a boat go by now. They opened it. You think there should be a boat? All right, boat's coming through.
Oh, there you go.
There's a free ferry. So we can take in a free ferry. All right, so I guess it's gonna plan to be opening for more than 45 minutes, and so because of that, they are running the free ferries back and forth. Do not be pushing your cruise docking until the last 15 minutes, because if you're stuck on the Punta side, you will probably not make your ship. So definitely leave a 15-minute buffer when you're trying to get back on your cruise ship. Snap. I don't think that's a really hard and fast rule, because the ferry just came across, and yet the bridge is closing right now. So that was not open for more than 10 minutes. I forgot to show what's in your hand. I didn't even show there.
Yeah, you should have taken a video of this while we were there. It's a beautiful work of art. We stopped at this. Did you get a video of the art shop?
I did the art shop.
So the art shop, love the art, want to get a piece of art.
And that same artwork there was $122.
Got it for $49.
Got it for $49.
Right by the port.
Now we just have to see if that will fit in our checked bag.
If not, I'll be carrying it. I still might carry it, honestly.
Now it's time to get back on the ship. It is only 3:30, so that only took about another 45 minutes detour with watching the bridge and shopping for art. Return your pool towels there.
Thank you.